Welcome to Santoro.
Ready for the day to begin. Our new chapter.
Helping students move in at CNU is a very important tradition because it helps our new captains feel at home and feel welcome.
Set an expectation when you get here. This is the culture you're coming into. This is what you can expect here at CNU.
Welcome to CNU.
Today is an emotional day.
The process is great.
Yeah,
having
fabulous.
staggered check-in times is absolutely the way to do it.
All the students helped us get our stuff upstairs. They did a wonderful job. Thank you so much. And so we are delighted we can focus our time on getting him organized, not lugging stuff upstairs.
Moving the freshmen in is important because it shows them firsthand that community is important to us at CNU, and that no matter what, whether you know a person or you don't, they're going to be here to help you.
Oh,
Yeah,
very
they were
helpful.
very nice and helpful.
Ask questions about their medical equipment and what to carry and what not to carry. So
We like that small campus feel.
love that small campus feel.